guys, welcome back to my channel. Georgian here, and today I'm bringing to you not a makeup video but a hair video. Well, as you can see from the title. My braids are out. My last couple of videos I had braids in. I was a little bit skeptical and a little bit scared about taking out my braids right now because of the times that we're living in, you know, quarantine, stay home, can't be going out too often, such and so forth. It's a really unfortunate time, but I said, you know what, my hair is long enough to go in a ponytail, so if any little thing, I can comb it because I can comb my hair. It's just I love the braids and the protective styling and everything, right? So if you'd like to see how I get this hair in a sleek back bun, sleek and neat and stuff with the baby hairs, all that jazz, then please keep on watching.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say.
Alright guys, so I have my spray bottle here. This, if you're a naturalista, is you definitely need a spray bottle. It's a continuous mist, very nice. I got it from Amazon. If you guys would like me to send you the link on it, I can do that. You can always just message me on Instagram and I can send you the link, but it should be pretty easy to find. Alright, so what I'm gonna start doing now is wetting my hair. Okay, you know, when you're doing anything with natural hair, you need to wet it because it makes life so much easier for you. Let's try to start combing through just to get the hair to stretch. This, which is helping it to comb out a lot easier too. Well, need to get in the middle because you know you don't want any lumps. I mean, I don't think it's going to be perfect in the first go because it has a little length on it, but it's still a bit short-ish, so I won't have that nice voluptuous like puff at the end, but I have a plan for that. It wasn't initially what I wanted to do, but it's what I'm gonna have to work with. How would this, girl? Ooh, guys, when I say my hair grow, it grow. You want to fluff out the hair. All right. Not you. Hey girl, something can't work for you. Yeah, but I have 3 hair ties. So I'm gonna try, when I'm combing it in the first time, I'm gonna use that one for the first initial grip to hold once I brush it in. I'll explain as I go along. So first, we're gonna apply some gel. Guys, I don't have much gel. And given the times now, it's hard to get because places are not open. But anyways, I'm gonna use a little of it. I'm not using a lot because I also have this Gorilla Snot. It has good reviews and most people speak highly about it, so we're gonna give it a try. So first I'm gonna go in with some of my Eco Gel. Okay. Alright, let's try to brush that back. You can kind of use the comb and go back through it too, so we don't have any lumps. So you want to try and catch it in first. Remember I told you guys about that first hair tie? It looks so different. I'm gonna go in with that first, just so we can set the base properly. Alright, so we have our little struggle puff here. Yes! Alright, so we have the base set right now. So now we're gonna go back in and really like sleep down everything. A little tip more of the gel, not too much. So we don't want to finish the little products we have, not true? Alright, so we're gonna brush, brush, brush. Take up everything. Scrape up everything. You have a little dry patch right here. Wow, this. And you can see this is not that great just yet, but we can slip that down. We're gonna try to catch it up. We're gonna try to grip it a bit tighter again. Okay, let's put some more. Brush it down. I'm going with these two now and just try to grip the hair again, but closer to the scalp than the end, because you can see here some more hair can be gripped in. So that's what we're gonna do. So I got more here now, so I'm gonna use the tool and wrap again, and we're gonna pull out that first one. So this is the first one I used, and close it in now. So you can see this looks much neater. Alright, so this is how we're looking, but we're not gonna leave it like this. We're gonna get some baby hairs. Just apply some gel to that. I always use this little comb to do my edges, this part right here. That's the first one. Second. Third. And of course, to seal it in, you can just use some gel on those parts that went in. That's the makeup, guys, don't worry about that. You can always wipe that out afterwards. like it's been 1 year, and it is so refreshing to be able to put my hair in a bun again, or a ponytail, or whatever. It's really refreshing. Like, I've been waiting and anticipating for this moment. I don't want to leave it this way. I mean, you can if you like, but I want to add a little, I want to do a little additional. I have this ponytail looking type of hair. It looks very close to my hair texture. So this brand here is this jumbo Afro twist. This is what it came in. This yeah, so this is like 60 inches long apparently. I still cannot remember for the life of me where I got this from, or why I bought it. I don't know, but anyhow, what I'm gonna do now is, it's already had this little string attached, so I'm just going to attach it to the ponytail. It's pretty long, but I'm gonna wrap it. Tie this down a bit and try to work on that ponytail. Okay, so I used this string and I applied it, put the hair over my natural hair, just so it doesn't show. Then I'm just gonna hold on and try to twirl the hair to make that little bun. I'm gonna go around, keep twirling, around again. I'm gonna try to hold it because it's gonna be probably moving around. We're just gonna try to lock it off in here now. You can possibly move it around to your desire. You can kind of press it down to give it a flatter look if you like. Alright, I'm gonna remove this tie. Let's see how we're looking. For a better hold, you can keep it tied down for a longer period of time, but for the sake of this video, I won't keep it on for too long. So this is how we are looking, guys. Oh, piece got stuck in here. You can always add some hairpins if you'd like. Yes guys, so like I said earlier, it's definitely not going to be perfect like on the first go. It's not going to be perfect because if your hair is not used to be groomed this way and it has not been groomed this way in a while, it's going to be a little bit challenging. I like it. If you want a nice big voluptuous bun, I think this is it. This is nice to use. I like it. You just have to be very careful when wrapping. When you're wrapping it, yeah, because it can be a little bit challenging and it's pretty long. You don't have to buy a hair that long. Again, like I said, it's just what I have. I didn't even know that I had it, right? So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I know I look like a completely different person right now because it's either the afro or my braids, but like I said, I've been yearning to get in my hair in a sleek back hairstyle because this used to be one of my go-tos when I had relaxed hair. So it's refreshing to be back at this point. That is pretty much it. Down below we'll have the details of all the items that I used in my hair, and let me know what you guys think. It is not perfect, but it's definitely wearable and it came out better than I anticipated for my length here. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already and become a part of the family. Turn on that post notification bell so you're notified about each and every upload that I do. May God continue to bless you guys, especially in these times. You can't forget him. Continue to pray, have faith and hope, and pray for the best, that these dark times will be over pretty soon, because I know it is highly stressful. God is the only one we can depend on right now to actually get us through in one piece. Hope you guys are keeping safe, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.